Properly adding Facebook pixels with Google Sites is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. If you haven't already, create a Facebook pixel in your Facebook business account. If you don't have a Google Tag Manager account, create one by visiting the Google Tag Manager website. After creating an account, set up a new container within Google Tag Manager. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. In your Facebook business account, go to the Events Manager and locate your Facebook pixel. Copy the pixel code provided. In your Google Tag Manager container, create a new tag. Choose the tag type as custom HTML. Paste the Facebook pixel code into the HTML field. Set the trigger to fire on all pages or specific pages as needed. After adding the Facebook pixel code, click Submit to save your changes in Google Tag Manager. Click Submit again in the upper right corner to publish your changes to your Google Tag Manager container. Visit your Google Sites page and use browser developer tools or a browser extension, such as the Facebook Pixel Helper, to verify that the Facebook pixel is firing correctly.